Daytona Storage, enterprise class turnkey solutions innovated to guarantee peace of mind. Daytona Storage was founded in 2001 and is a VMware enterprise partner and system builder. Our goal is to bring complete solutions to market that solve customer problems. For this, we've created a 7-point process. Our 7-point process consists of standardization, specialization, integration, innovation, installation, support and training, and our satisfaction guarantee. Daytona Storage offers solutions for virtualization, storage, backup, archival, and security. We also offer installation, as well as support and training on all the products we sell. Daytona Storage is certified in and offers professional services for IBM products, including Tivoli Storage Manager, Microsoft, VMware, and virtual desktop infrastructure packages, including VMware's View, VDI alternatives, and in computing. Customers today are looking for the enterprise features that VMware offers in its virtualization suite, including vMotion, dynamic resource scheduling, and high availability. In traditional environments, servers are directly connected to storage, creating islands of capacity and islands of utilization. The SAN was created to centralize storage, and VMware was used to optimize CPU, memory, network, and disk utilization in servers. In a typical VMware or virtualization environment, the VMware hosts are connected to the storage via Fibre Channel or iSCSI. Fibre Channel is generally too expensive for most environments, whereas iSCSI is the right price but underpowered. In addition, when creating a DR facility for your virtual environment, this generally will double your cost. The real problem in virtual environments is the SAN. The problems with traditional SANs are that they use controller-based storage arrays. These controller units have limited ability to manage the access of data. Traditional SANs are also proprietary in nature, have a high acquisition cost, limited lifespan, limited scalability, and a high replacement cost. In addition, disaster recovery options for SANs are expensive and limited. The solution, created by IBM in partnership with Intel, is the General Parallel File System, or GPFS. This is a distributed parallel fault-tolerant file system for commodity-based Intel hardware. GPFS, GPFS derivatives, and similar technologies that use Intelligent Clustered Storage, or ICS, power the majority of today's supercomputer centers. Intelligent Clustered Storage allows each node to be accessible to the initiator. All nodes act as a single unit, and all the drives are data-aware. Data is automatically saved to multiple nodes, creating an N+1 configuration. If one node or drive fails, the initiator is automatically directed to another node. Scalability is simple and nearly limitless. Best of all, with the Intelligent Clustered Storage, no customized hardware is needed. The ICS architecture allows a supercomputed clustered system to run a commodity-based Intel hardware. Here's what the analysts are saying about Intelligent Clustered Storage. ESG, a leading storage analyst, states that true clustered storage systems are the next-generation solutions that are designed to never be complex and to be perpetually optimal. Storage Mojo takes it a step further, stating that the age of the RAID array is coming to an end. They will become much less common, whereas the intelligent clustered storage business will show robust growth. CoreGrid states that given the overall price difference between fiber channel-based traditional SANs and commodity-based systems that use intelligent clustered storage, commodity-based systems with intelligent clustered storage have a lot of potential and growth in cost-sensitive environments. Daytona Storage has designed the VX Cubes, combining VMware with intelligent clustered storage in a single appliance for server, storage, and desktop virtualization. The VX Cubes offer multiple configure options. Here in this example, we start with a base pack of 3 cubes with intelligent clustered storage. Here you are able to take full advantage of VMware's features, such as vMotion, dynamic resource scheduling, and high availability. For multiple sites, the VX Cubes can be placed in multiple locations. taking advantage again of all of VMware's features, such as vMotion, dynamic resource scheduling, and high availability, combined with intelligent clustered storage for N+1 high availability and disaster recovery. The cubes are modular and expandable. In a base configuration of 3 cubes, we are able to virtualize up to 30 servers, 300 desktops, and provide up to 2 terabytes of high-speed storage. We can easily expand the cubes up to 32, and in this environment, we are able to virtualize up to 320 servers, 3,200 desktops, and provide over 20 terabytes of high-speed centralized storage. The Daytona cubes offer many advantages over traditional VMware solutions that use traditional SANs. In this example here, we show that the price point of the VX cubes is less than half of the competing virtualization solutions on the market today. The VX cubes also offer centralized storage, block-level virtualization, thin provisioning, they're expandable up to 32 nodes, and have a high availability and disaster recovery included with the base package, solution integration, integrated web caching, one-call support, and a 30-day right to return. The cubes also offer many desktop advantages. Here we see 3 cubes, and we are able to offer the same advantages to desktops that we are to servers, including vMotion, dynamic resource scheduling, and high availability, while still maintaining intelligent clustered storage on the back end. In a desktop replacement comparison, we notice that the VX Cube's virtual desktop infrastructure packages offer features that are very comparable to VMware's View or Citrix at the cost of a PC, or less than half the cost of a traditional View or Citrix option. CubeStore, intelligent clustered storage for storing VMware and everything else. With CubeStore, you get high throughput of 70 megabytes per second per node, and you're able to purchase the CubeStore in starter packs of either 3 terabytes usable, 6 terabytes usable, or 12 terabytes usable, at a cost of less than half that of traditional SANs. With CubeStore, you're able to provide low-cost storage for video surveillance storage, storage for recorded lectures, presentations, file and print storage, archival storage, disk-to-disk backup, and end-user data storage. Some of the key benefits to CubeStore include high availability, N+1 data protection, solution support, ease of use and accessibility of data, and easy modular expansion. With Daytona's CubeStore, you can add only the storage you need when you need it. Here in this example, Company A needed 13 terabytes usable in 12 months, but only needed 6 terabytes today. So they started out purchasing a 6 terabyte CubeStore starter SAN and then grew incrementally as needed to scale up to 13 terabytes in 12 months. Data growth isn't always predictable, and CubeStore's scalable cluster nodes grow with you. The VX Cubes offer instant return on investment. Day one benefits include server virtualization, desktop virtualization, centralized SAN storage, centralized management, modular solution, high availability, load balancing, solution support, energy savings, heat and air conditioning. But more importantly, what if you could ensure 100% application uptime? What if you could test applications in an isolated environment before deploying or purchasing them? What if you were never constrained by hardware again? What if you could add additional software packages on the fly? What if you could test your backup or restore operations before an actual outage or failure occurs? What if you could add additional services to your end users without the time, money, and hassle of new hardware acquisition? What if you could centrally deploy applications to your end user desktops? What if you had console access to all your servers and desktops in your environment from one view? What if you never had to troubleshoot hardware issues again? Daytona can do all this and more for the cost of a desktop or server refresh. The possibilities are limitless, but you will never know unless you take the first step. Daytona Storage VX Cubes for server, storage, and desktop virtualization. Daytona Storage is able to offer in Series 1000 and 2000 configurations Each configuration consists of 3 cubes, with N+1 high availability and disaster recovery options. With the VX cubes, Daytona has been able to take advantage of advanced supercomputing clustering technology, as well as low-cost Intel-based commodity hardware, to provide state-of-the-art virtualization solutions for less than half the cost of our traditional virtualization competitors. Daytona Storage is so confident in our solution that we offer a 30-day right to return after installation. Also, we offer 3-, 4-, and 5-year leases with non-appropriations clauses. Thanks for listening. Daytona Storage is a leading provider of enterprise-class turnkey virtualization, storage, backup, archival, and security solutions. Please contact us to find out how Daytona Storage can work for you. Call 866-832-9866.